Welcome back to the Daily Wisdom Practice. If there is someone in your life right now who is causing you a great deal of distress, then hit the like button. This video was made specifically for you. Today, we will learn how to heal a relationship with another person without even speaking to them. If you desire peace in your home and in your heart, subscribe now and let's begin. We have all gone through this phase at some point when a specific person knows exactly how to get under our skin. We try to change them, we argue with them, or we wait for them to apologize. But in Ho'oponopono, we come to a very unique realization. That person is merely a mirror. They have entered your life simply to play a role. And they are actually replaying a memory that is buried deep within you. If you want the movie to change, you don't shout at the screen. You change the film inside the projector. Most advice regarding relationships suggests that you should communicate or set boundaries. And while that advice is valid in its own right, it still only works on a superficial level. The person you're struggling with is actually a gift. They are showing you exactly what you need to clean. When they make you angry, they are pointing to a hidden pocket of anger inside your subconscious. When you clean on that feeling, the data between the two of you dissolves. Often, when you change your inner vibration, the other person either changes their behavior or quietly drifts out of your life without a fight. Right now, think about that difficult person. Don't think about what they did wrong. Just feel the discomfort they cause you. I take 100% responsibility for the data within me that is creating this conflict. I am sorry for whatever that exists within me that makes me see you this way. Please forgive me for not seeing the divine in you. Thank you for showing me what I need to heal. I love you. I love the peace that is now returning between us. Continue repeating these phrases until the mental image of that person begins to feel normal and peaceful to you. To be happy, you do not need them to change. Your challenge for today: the next time that person upsets you, do not react. Whisper gently to that memory, "I love you." To attain your emotional freedom, comment "Peace is mine" below. Share this with a friend who is going through a difficult time. I will see you on day 12. I love you, I thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.